1. The place to learn more.
Hello friends, today I would like to discuss with you guys about another open source software, the best alternative for Microsoft Office. In general, when we buy our computer with the pre-built of Windows operating system, the first things we do is to buy a Microsoft Office. Though it doesn't matter whether we use or not, we go and buy it, we install it, and then that's all. It may be very hard for us to say that how frequently we are using that kind of software. So having said that in mind, I would like to introduce the best office suite that you can use in your fresh computer if you don't do any professional works. There are plenty of softwares are available. Say for example, Openoffice. Openoffice is a very good base that has been specifically designed for the people who wants to use the open source softwares. It is works under the license Apache, so you can go and download and use it for free. It has a very good options with extensions where you can go and download the extensions for your day-to-day other tasks as well. It's been used widely across IT companies, NGOs and schools. There are many places people are using it for free. Now there is another very good office suite called OnlyOffice to go with the day-to-day general task. The purpose of OnlyOffice is to host your own server, but you can still go ahead and download as a desktop version which you can use on your computer. This has the very good option that has a complete compatibility with Microsoft Office. So whatever the changes that you do over here can be opened and worked in another Microsoft Office system. The next suite is Calligra made by KDE. It has all complete suites that you see in Microsoft Office as well. It has a words, sheets, database, and then you can use it for a vector drawing. It is available with the project plan. Then you have a PowerPoint presentation called Stage, and then that will help you to transform your interface for two-in-one devices. Now the very good choice that you can go and do download, even you can use it for your professional work as well, which is LibreOffice. LibreOffice has the released version of 6.4.4, but if you want to use it for a business purpose, you can go and download the 6.3.6, which is stable and you cannot find any bug in it. Here I have a Libreoffice Impress, which has all the features that you see in Microsoft Office, and also the feature that you can see in Openoffice. There are plenty of options over here. You have an extension manager where which you can download the new extensions from the extension stores, and also there are very good presentations templates that you can download. Also you can go and import if you have a new presentations templates. You are free to do anything. Now the writer has the another very good options that you see in Microsoft Office. In fact, you can go and import the images, media, or you can do the charts over here. There are open source fonts are available, which is very good and nice look. But if you prefer that whatever the text that you're using, it may not be compatible in Microsoft Office. So you can also go and import the specific fonts here so that you can use the same font which will be opened in another Microsoft Office as well. Along with that, there are options where you can do spell check, proofreading. So there are n number of options available for you to go and use this LibreOffice Writer. Now the LibreOffice Calci. Believe me, this has all the features that you see in Microsoft Excel. You can do pivotals. Also, there are plenty of options available over here. Basically, the LibreOffice comes with the suites of Writer, Impress, Calci, Draw, Math. So all these options you can use it. There is a database which I am not using it here, but you can go and download it and use it. So this is the best options for you to use without paying single rupees. The writer has the very good options, and in fact I have used this to write complete my first book that I have self-published on Amazon. I don't see any format issue or any issue that I usually do in Microsoft Word. So this is the best option for you guys to go and download now and use it for free. Hope you like this video. I'll come up with another best software in the next video. Thank you.